All right, so the first thing you want to do is upload the Garmin software update. So just pull out the micro disc right here, open up this hatch, brass fittings to the left, stick it in the left one, insert. Software update card comes up there. You want to manage, update the software. So push that. So it's going to take a long time, but it doesn't. Okay, it says update complete, so let's hit restart. Okay, so we're back to the beginning where you hit agree. That took about 5 minutes, longer than I thought. What I want to leave you with is take the chip out. I only have one of these, so try not to lose it. Put it back into the adapter and put it back into its little prophylactic device here, and don't lose it.